Welcome to the stock market game. We will be using this game as part of our class for the next several weeks, so I'm going to give you a brief tutorial to help get you started. First, this is what's called my Account Summary Analyzer. You can get to it under Portfolio by clicking Account Summary Analyzer. It shows me my account information, including which competition I'm in, the Austin and West Texas stock market game, the dates of the competition, March 12th through June 1st. Then it goes on to show me my current cash balance, which is a little bit higher than what I started at, the $100,000 that I was given to begin with. Further down on the page, I can look at my total equity, my asset allocation, which is how much I have in stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and cash, and also my performance as a percentage of the S&P 500's performance over the last 1 week to 1 month. Further down, we also have a ticker lookup and a watch list, so we can see how different stocks are performing. That's at the bottom of this page. Also under Portfolio, you can look at your account holdings, which shows you your current distribution of money, how much is in cash, stocks, bonds, etc. The top holdings for all of the stock market game, if it will load, sorry, which if we take a look, the top ones are kind of what we would expect them to be. So we have Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, I think that one's Tesla, Facebook down here, and another Google. So you can see just what's popular on this game. You can also look at your personal transaction history and gains and losses, and also your rankings in the competition. Next, I'm going to walk you through how to actually make a trade. So under Trade, I'm going to select Enter a Trade. I'm going to go with Stock Trade just for now. You can do any of the types though. I want to buy Google. So I think the ticker symbol is Goog, but I'm going to check. I'm going to search for ticker symbol. And when I do that, I can see that there are both Goog and Google. They're both at about the same price right now. So I'm just going to go with Goog. I want to buy Goog. I'm going to do a market order so that it posts immediately. And because of how expensive it is, I think I'm just going to purchase 10 shares right now. So then I click Preview Trade, and it shows me a preview of my trade. It shows that I'm buying Goog, the full name, 10 shares, and it's a market order. Then I have to re-enter my password to confirm the trade. So I copy my password before I come into the stock market game and just paste it every time I need it. So then I click Confirm Trade. It shows me my confirmation number over here. Then if I go to Trade and look at my transaction notes, I can see my various transactions, and I can see that I just bought Goog just a moment ago, and it will show me the price in 20 minutes. And you can also see the other transactions that I've made. So I also, since Texas Instruments has gone up since I bought it, I want to go ahead and sell a few more Texas Instruments shares. So I'm going to go back to make a trade, or enter a trade, sorry. I know the ticker symbol is TXN. I want to sell. I'm going to go ahead and sell 5 of them. So preview the trade. Go ahead and put in my password again and confirm it. And then it says the market is closed. Your order will be executed during the next business day, which means that this will actually show up under my pending orders. So you can see it here. This is where you'll see anything that you enter outside of business hours. You also have the option to cancel pending orders by re-entering your password, so you can always do that. There are other resources available on the site. You can also, on the home page, you get back to your account analyzer summary, which just gives you the same information again. So that's pretty much all you need to get started. Have fun, and I look forward to competing against everyone in this next couple of weeks. Thank you.